tadka with the heat. And it took only 10 minutes for me to cook this for It's a very hearty dal to serve on top of some hot rice. You can eat it with chapatis, naan. I like it with a bowl of rice. Hello, welcome to Meda's Healthy Cooking Recipes. Today I am making a dal recipe. Dal is an important part of Indian vegetarian cooking because this is the daily protein for the Indian vegetarian diet. So we get a lot of different kind of dals, and it means simple lentils. Because it's cooked every day, we make it like a skinned split variety, so it's easy to cook, fast cooking. This variety is called Masoor dal. It's orange colored recipe. It's very fast to cook on stove and maybe 10 minutes of cooking time, and it is easily available here. That's why I choose the Masoor dal here. So 1 cup of Masoor dal, a handful of cilantro leaves for garnish at the end. The spices, I'm using 2 green chilies and a couple of cloves of garlic in it, and 1 onion. Now I want to introduce the spices we are using. I want to use the minimum spice. The main tadka I'm using mustard seeds and cumin seeds. What we are going to use is 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric in it and a pinch of asafetida. This is also helps with the digestion. Dal tadka is mainly done in ghee, which is the Indian clarified butter, but today I'm going to use I use olive oil for my cooking, so I use a mix of olive oil and ghee for the tadka. I'm going to add some tomatoes to the dal today. I forgot to mention it before. The other day I prepared some fresh tomatoes into tomato puree, so I'm going to use a little bit of that. Let's start cooking now. Let's add some salt so the onions cook fast. Just added 1/4 teaspoon of salt just now to bring out the water from the onions and make it cook faster. And let's add the lentils, washed lentils. Let's saute the lentils with the onion. So the flavor of the onions will get into the lentils. A little bit of oil in the middle. I'm going to add my spices. Adding a pinch of asafetida into that oil. Then I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric. It's 1 teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. We are going to mix everything together now. Let's now add water, cover it, cook for 5 minutes first, and then stir it in between, and let's see. Just added 1.5 cup of water just to cover the lentils. So I don't want the water to come out, so I'm going to cover it, and let's cook this for 5 minutes. Let it boil. Let's see how it's cooking now. The water has reduced a little bit. Okay, it needs a little more cooking now. It's almost 75% is cooked. I'm going to add some tomatoes into it. This is the tomato puree I made. I'm going to add half of it into that dal. Going to add the chilies into it. Little dried curry leaves. Going to add salt. Another half teaspoon of salt. I think that's enough. Salt. I'm going to add the coriander, chopped coriander leaves also. Our dal is ready, cooked. Now we have to do the tadka. Gonna start with little bit oil. I'm adding half a teaspoon of clarified butter, ghee, for the tadka. I'm going to use cumin seeds. I'm using 1 teaspoon cumin seeds in my hand. And then I'm going to put it there. Once it starts spluttering, I'll add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds in it and a pinch of asafetida at the end to enhance the flavor. And our simple tadka is ready. For the garnish, I used a little bit of the chopped coriander leaves. Add it on top. This is our simple dal tadka with the ghee. And it took only 10 minutes for me to cook this the whole thing. It's a very hearty dal to serve on top of some hot rice. You can eat it with chapatis, naan. I like it with a bowl of rice. It can be served as a hearty soup. I have some rotis heated up now, and I'm going to make it as a side. That is how we serve dal and roti. This is a simple, hearty, protein-rich dal soup served, and this is how we eat as a simple meal, simple staple diet of Indian vegetarian cuisine. Roti with dal, roti dal. Thanks for watching my video today, and please subscribe and like my video for simple, healthy, nutritious recipes like this. Thank you.